You're gonna sit back and be like, wow, did I really just make that? Yeah, you did, because you watch Business Weslynn. Okay?
What is up, you guys? Welcome to the channel, or welcome back if you're a returning subscriber. My name is Weslynn. This is my channel, Business Weslynn, where I talk about my business, Thebeautypackage, which makes unique and creative handmade cosmetics. Use code YouTube or New Beauty for money off of your order. We are in. So y'all, this is the third video I'm filming. Let's get into this video. I've done this video before, but I feel like I didn't really talk about everything I wanted to talk about. So I'm redoing it. Best oils for lip oils. What are the best oils for lip oils? Y'all, if you don't know, I did the best oils for lip gloss. What are the best oils for lip oils? Y'all, like the best oils, the best. What's the cream of the crop? The cream, what's is it cream of the crop or creme de la creme? I don't know, probably both. What are the best oils? What are the best oils? I've conducted my research. I have made plenty of mistakes. I've went through plenty of oils. I have made plenty of lip oils, and I've went through plenty bad batches and good batches. And these are the oils that make up the good batches, okay? Y'all, these are the best oils you can use in your lip oils. Regardless, okay? My top 6. Let's just get into it. Let's get into it. When we're coming in hot, they make you oil. Not gonna lie, this is a straight 10 out of 10. A straight 10 out of 10. It probably ain't gonna get no much better than that. Now this is amazing. Moisturizes your lips, keeps your lips smooth. It also rejuvenates your skin cells, boosting circulation and preventing fine lines. It also helps with chapped lips and hyperpigmentation. It is also a natural antioxidant. Also helps and reduces the appearance of scarring. This is one of the best oils. It is also, only thing is, it is yellow unless you get clear. So if you want a clear lip oil, get it clear, but get you some vitamin E oil. This is probably the best oil you can use. It is so amazing and I highly recommend it. This is the top pick. These other ones are great as well, but this one's a top pick. So get you some vitamin E this year, which honestly I did not put on my list, and I'm looking at it right now. Liquid shea butter. This is going to change your lip oil game. These two are going to change how you even ever look at lip oil ever again in your life. These are going to change the way you view lip products, how you view cosmetic formulation. These will truly make your lip oil so great. You're gonna be like, wow. You're gonna sit back and be like, wow, did I really just make that? Yeah, you did, because you watch Business Weslynn. It makes your lips nice, smooth, supple. It is truly one of a kind. Because I was wondering, I cannot put shea butter in lip gloss because it will not, the solid will, the gel would just not end up too well. And I will highly recommend you getting liquid shea butter. We're going basic, okay? We're going to the basics. Liquid coconut moisturize your lips, keeps your lips smooth. It also absorbs quickly, heals dry and cracked lips. This is a basic though. If you're watching this, you probably already know about liquid coconut oil. What I love about this oil so much is the fact that it will helps calm and soothe irritated and chapped lips and dry lips. So good, and it's so amazing, and I highly recommend you getting it. So yeah, but this was a basic. You probably already have it if you're watching this video. Jojoba oil, y'all, I love jojoba oil. This is a natural moisturizer, up in the ranks because it's natural. Forms and protects a barrier over your lips, and it will just leave them soft and smooth. It's basically a lip mask. You know them overnight lip masks? This is basically a lip mask. It just leaves your lips feeling so smooth and nice and amazing. It's just so good. It's hydrated and it protects your lips from dryness, which is why it kind of gives that lip mask type of vibe, because it helps. It's like a deep conditioner for your lips. Like, it's also a deep conditioner for your hair, for your skin, but also for your lips, because that's part of your skin. It is great for sensitive skin, and it also soothes the lips. I remember when I had a cut on my lip and I put some of this, I mixed this and coconut oil together. It went away in like 10 minutes. This is amazing, and it just soothes your lips. Like, it just feels like a nice, it's just a nice deep conditioner for your lips, and it is so amazing. And I highly recommend you getting jojoba oil when you're making lip oils, and it will also give your lip oils more type of, you know, feel, but it is so good. It is so amazing, and I highly recommend it, like highly. For the next two oils, we're back to the basics. Sweet almond oil. This sweet almond oil is a lightweight oil. It absorbs into your skin. It also has vitamin E, which helps keep your lips supple and soft. It moisturizes your lips, helps soothe your lips. It also, y'all, this is why I love this so much for lip oil. Oil helps in improving the natural color of your lips, and it also absorbs quickly into your skin without a greasy residue. I do not like greasy lip oils. It is one of my biggest pet peeves. I absolutely cannot stand greasy lip products in general, but especially a greasy lip oil, because I mean, it's a very thin line, because it is a lip oil. There's a very thin line where it can be greasy. If it's greasy, get it out of my face, keep it over there. I don't want it. So it helps the color of your lips, doesn't leave a greasy residue. It locks in moisture, it soothes lips, is moisturizing, and it has vitamin E oil, which will help keep your lips supple and soft. Top tier for lip oils. I would highly recommend this for lip oils, especially when you're just a beginner. Highly recommend you getting you some sweet almond oil. Next, second to last, we have castor oil, which I think is amazing for lip oils. Perfect like consistency for lip oils, but it also helps dry and cracked lips. It also promotes hydration. It moisturizes your lips, soothes your lips, and soothes your lips. All amazing, but yeah, we can get that from the other oils. Okay, what makes this one so different? This is for the people who like to add glitter and shimmer into their lip oils. This helps keeps the glitter and the shimmer on your lips. I know. Don't say I've never put y'all on. Don't say I never put y'all on. This is the trick. If you feel like your lip oil is going, if the shimmer in it is going this way and this way and this way and this way, castor oil, it is amazing. Like this one's like a little trick or little, it keeps the shimmer on your lips longer. Last but not least, apricot oil. It's thin, but it truly moisturizes your lips. So it moisturizes your lips. It also brightens, moisturizes, and nourishes your skin. Apricot oil's spec is that it brightens, moisturizes, and nourishes your lips. It also improves the skin tone and maintains the softness and radiance. So the antioxidants that are the most potent in apricot oil are vitamin A and vitamin E, which is the secret. It improves your skin tone over time, which is why I think it is so amazing for lip products, because it improves your skin tone over time. It's amazing. Overall, I just think it's not talked about enough. It literally helps even out the skin tone and brighten up your skin tone on your lips, which is amazing. Those were all my favorite oils for my lip oils. So thank you so much for watching this video, and y'all stay tuned for this vlogmas, because y'all, I'm really gonna try to grind and push out these videos. So yeah, thank y'all so much for watching the channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. So yeah, check out my business, Thebeautypackage.com, and check out my social medias. I'll put them down below. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.